This episode brought to you by Chepri, delivering enhanced digital experiences through custom development. Plant-based menus may seem like a lofty goal for a fast casual restaurant these days, and even loftier to expect expansion in a heated, good-for-you segment. But LA-based Veggie Grill is not your average fast casual concept. Not only is it led by industry icon Greg Dollarhyde of Baja Fresh stardom, it's on the radar as one of the up-and-coming leaders in new age food. Quality, freshness, they're the staples of better-for-you concepts in fast casual. But it usually comes at the cost of flavor and goodness. Not with Veggie Grill. Thanks for letting us come in.
Hey, a pleasure. I'm so glad you're here. And it's fun to talk about fast casual.
You guys have a really unique look in fast casual. It's got this very open, almost studio loft, New Yorky, hip feel. And of course, everything here is plant-based. So let's talk through the brand. Tell me about it.
Veggie Grill is what we like to say we're Veggie Centric. And we sell Veggie Centric food to veggie positive people. And who's veggie positive? Basically, it's anybody who just wants to introduce more of this style of food into their life.
Right.
We're not targeted towards one particular person, because someday you may say, you know what, I partied all weekend, it's Monday, I need to go get a little balance, and I don't want to do a juice cleanse, and a Veggie Grill.
Do you feel like Veggie Grill is just one of those brands that's positioned to really kind of serve all segments of the market?
No, not really. It's amazing. Again, people just want some very simple things, right? I want to have great food, but I want you to make it better for me. And that's really the overall trend. Make it better for me, but I don't want to give anything up.
Right. Let's talk about the style.
So what we did at Veggie Grill is say, let's make this thing fun, make it more aggressive as far as coloration, and keep the space open, keep the noise level, music level up, and let people come in, get the food, and leave with takeout, and make that easy.
Yep.
Or come in a community table environment, or sit in the booth. So whatever your occasion was, is what we wanted to try and hit. We're in Hollywood with this store. Yeah. So we had 22 feet of glass, and I said, well, we need to have as big a sign as we can get to the street. So we put in a double tube neon, 50,000 cars out there, and in Hollywood you can take more risks. So this is a very brightly colored restaurant. We have a lot of graphics on the windows, the big, these fantastic lamps that we make by hand.
Lights.
They're all snapped together from Australia. So we got new textures that people weren't necessarily used to, but you're still staying with good elements, like it's all bamboo.
Right.
So all the woods in here are sustainable.
Okay, so we walk in, we see kind of this variety of menu components that you guys have on your programs. A big variety. You've got, everything from the buffalo sides to great salads, all this. I mean, what's the thinking behind putting a menu together like this? In other words, keeping it fresh.
Well, any menu, you have to decide who's the target customer, how much do they want to spend with you, how long do they want to stay with you, and what the entry points are going to be. So our menu really has 4 major sections: sandwiches, bowls, salads, and then sides. And those are categories for us that we keep building. We're building the sides category and snacks and shares, so people can people can put together their own meal.
Yeah,
right?
I love this.
We have a thing called pick a pair, where you pick one from this column, one from this, and people love that because then they can create whether they want something a little bit more indulgent or something very light.
Yeah.
And they're like
a lot of gluten-free options here too.
Yeah, well, we're in LA.
Yeah.
More and more gluten-free demand. We try to appeal to that. But most importantly, with that menu is, what do you want to stand for?
Right.
Okay. And then how do people come in and use you? Like, is it going to be hard to understand? Is it going to be too expensive, or is it? So we have all the price points: 3, 4, 6, 8, 10. So you can come in and sort of put together the meal you want for the price you want.
Yeah. Speaking of food, we've got to try some.
Yeah, that'd be great. So this is our mindful mashup. Like I say, this is a super greens and field roast sausage, nice broth in the bottom, and a romesco sauce on top. And it's with 590 calories and 30 grams of protein.
Wow.
In that one dish, 35 grams of protein.
Is this a new menu item?
New menu item for January you just rolled out. Again, for what we call our mindful living menu, where it's like celebrate yourself.
Right.
Is kind of the goal. Is that the beginning of the year, people want to eat a little more healthy. Gym memberships go up. And
I love it.
This is one of our
looks like Buffalo Wild Wings.
It
here.
does look like Wild Wings, and they are so good. I'll tell you, this is one of our top sellers. And it's our chicken product with an I. What it is, it's various proteins and ancient grains that are woven together to have a consistency like a chicken wing. And then we bread it in panko breading and then dust it at the end with buffalo sauce. And it's served just like you would in a bar of buffalo. You got your dipping. We use ranch instead of blue cheese, and your celery. Big seller, great to add to a meal.
Yeah.
Really fun. And this is one of my favorites. We developed this last fall. This is quinoa power salad. And again, this has a base of kale and romaine. And then we add a bunch of quinoa. Needless to say, you can see it. Fresh avocado, almonds, cannellini beans, fresh fennel, mint, and champagne vinaigrette. That is just a kind of a flavor levels, and that you just keep. As you eat the salad, you want more. And that's what we really try to do, is create those layers of flavor that you just come back and say, wow, that was a good bite. And so this has been a top seller as well. Very good for you. I'll be able to say you can see the amount of veggies in here. Perfect. This is a Sonoran winter bowl, and this is a part of our bowl program, again, that people love bowls. I mean, if you look around the restaurant industry, bowls are really catching on in all concepts. So we introduced bowls about a year and a half ago. Now it's become a whole category for us. This is Sonoran Winter Bowl.
I love it.
And as you saw on the back, the carrots are fantastic. We brine them a little, and then we fire roast them on the charbroiler. So you get this really deep flavor from the brining, but the charring gives it that intense, freshly grilled flavor. Again, these are kind of similar. This one is a little higher calorie. It's got black beans.
Right.
The tortilla strips, obviously, still working the avocado. And then if you want some more spice, of course, we've got the jalapeno. Yeah. And this is one of our old favorites. This is what really kind of helped launch the concept, which was the Santa Fe crispy chicken sandwich.
This is one of my favorite meals here at your,
your
place.
Well,
when I come, this is what I get.
It's a huge favorite. And this is the plate that really kind of launched Veggie Grill.
Yeah.
It's indulgent, it's satisfying.
Great sweet potato fries.
Yeah, sweet potato fries are really much better for you with the bioflavonoids in them than a regular fry and beta carotene.
What's this sauce?
This is a Chipotle ranch sauce. This is a sauce, again, all of our sauces are non-dairy. So this sauce is really pretty simple. It's not as complex, but try it. Try it with the fries.
Yeah.
You'll see it adds a little bit of a kick. And it's not just ketchup. We have ketchup, but it's a little bit perfect. Yeah, a little bit more. We had to find this balance of really fresh, clean, indulgent. Again, this is just a great nutritious dish. Again, with carrots as a hero.
So let's break down ingredients here. We'll take a look at avocado for instance. Avocado has kind of been one of those ingredients that kind of has that fresh atonement to it. Are you finding consumers really demanding those kinds of high-end ingredients?
I mean, when you put in those high-end ingredients, almonds, avocados, and it adds value to the salad, and people see the value.
Right.
Number one. Number two, avocado is a fantastic ingredient as far as a food. It's got unsaturated fats that are really great for your skin and your internal health. The almonds are in there to add a little bit of bite and a little bit of more protein. Okay? But the avocados also create satiety. When you eat avocado, you get full.
Yeah.
You stay a little fuller, which has always been the complaint of vegetarian food is like, well, I'm gonna have to eat again in an hour. Well, not the case with Veggie Grill. But we also keep it balanced. So this will keep you full, and it's still only 568 calories.
Right. Well, Greg, this has been great. Enjoying a little bit of food and fare from Veggie Grill. Thanks for letting us stop in.
Hey, we can share food all day. How much time you got, and how's your stomach feeling?
Let's do it.